Hello, and welcome to another presentation of 5 Minute Cybersecurity. The exploding use of large language models in industry and across organizations has sparked a flurry of research activity focused on testing the susceptibility of LLMs to generate harmful and biased content when prompted in specific ways. In this presentation, I'll discuss how that can be done. Hi, I'm Bill Osolinski, a certified information systems security professional with 30 years of experience. The latest example is a new paper from researchers at Robust Intelligence and Yale University that describes a completely automated way to get even state-of-the-art black box LLMs to escape guardrails put in place by their creators and generate toxic content. Black box LLMs are basically large language models such as those behind Chatgpt, whose architecture, datasets, training methodologies, and other details are not publicly known. The new method, which researchers have dubbed Tree of Attacks with Pruning, or TAP, basically involves using an unaligned LLM to jailbreak another aligned LLM, or to get it to breach its guardrails quickly and with a high success rate. An aligned LLM, such as the one behind ChatGPT and other AI chatbots, is explicitly designed to minimize potential for harm and would not, for example, normally respond to a request for information on how to build a bomb. An unaligned LLM is optimized for accuracy and generally has no or fewer such constraints. With TAP, the researchers have shown how they can get an unaligned LLM to prompt an aligned target LLM on a potentially harmful topic and then use its response to keep refining the original prompt. The process basically continues until one of the generated prompts jailbreaks the target LLM and gets it to spew out the requested information. The researchers found that they were able to use small LLMs to jailbreak even the largest aligned LLMs. The new research is the latest among a growing number of studies in recent months that show how LLMs can be coaxed into unintended behavior, like revealing training data and sensitive information with the right prompt. Some of the research has focused on getting LLMs to reveal potentially harmful or unintended information by directly interacting with them via engineered prompts. Other studies have shown how adversaries can elicit the same behavior from a target LLM via indirect prompts hidden in text, audio, and image samples in the data the model would likely retrieve when responding to a user input. Such prompt injection methods to get a model to diverge from intended behavior have relied at least to some extent on manual interaction, and the output the prompts have generated have often been nonsensical. The new TAP research is a refinement of earlier studies and show how these attacks can be implemented in a completely automated, more reliable way. In October, researchers at the University of Pennsylvania released details of a new algorithm they developed for jailbreaking an LLM using another LLM. The algorithm, called Prompt Automatic Iterative Refinement, or PAIR, involved getting one LLM to jailbreak another. At a high level, PAIR pits two black box LLMs, which we will call the attacker and the target, against one another. The attacker model is programmed to creatively discover candidate prompts which will jailbreak the target model. In tests, PAIR was capable of triggering semantically meaningful or human interpretable jailbreaks in a mere 20 queries. The research described this as a 10,000-fold improvement over previous jailbreak techniques. Such research is important because many organizations are rushing to integrate LLM technologies into their applications and operations without much thought to the potential security and privacy implications. As the TAP researchers noted in their report, many of the LLMs depend on guardrails that model developers implement to protect against unintended behavior. However, even with the considerable time and effort spent by the likes of OpenAI, Google, and Meta, these guardrails are not resilient enough to protect enterprises and their users today. Concerns surrounding model risk, biases, and potential adversarial exploits have come to the forefront. That's all for this presentation. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much for watching.